This is the Farm Model Maniac. Welcome to On the Farm. So today we are doing a night time or evening time. We're doing it in the evening time. So it's actually dark outside. So here we have all the cattle here. They're in a new paddock. They're nearer to the gate here, so we'll be bringing them home soon. Poor Ben wrong feeder. Of course I left the gate open, so the two trailers there might be here in the morning. We have the new Vernon mower, which I bought. It's really nice. We have that. We have the new trailer. We have the bed trailer. We have the side pit here. Valtra, everything is quiet now, so the Valtra is parked in the far shed. Manitou, which we'll be getting a bucket for soon, so the Valtra can go home. Back to the dairy farm. Here we have all the four main tractors here, parked in the shed. As you can see, it's fairly tight in there. And here we have the Land Rover. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.